To the Top Foreign channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can establish your own affiliate marketing business and receive payment within 24 hours. Trust me, this method is not as difficult as you might think. All you need is a functional device and a reliable internet connection. It's important to pay close attention to this video and carefully follow each step. By doing so, you'll be on your way to earning a substantial income through affiliate marketing. If you're ready to begin, let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to earn money online. Essentially, it entails promoting products or services offered by others and earning a commission for each sale you generate. Think of it as being a middleman between the seller and the buyer, where you receive payment for driving traffic and sales to the seller's website. If you're interested in exploring affiliate marketing or seeking a new opportunity, signing up for the American Golf Affiliate Program is a must. American Golf is the leading destination in the UK for all your golf-related needs. They have been in the industry since 1978 and have become a dominant force in golf retail throughout Europe. With over 100 stores across the UK and Ireland, they are serious about what they do. Moreover, they have also established a strong online presence with their exceptional website, American Golf Co. UK. Golfers turn to this platform to purchase top-quality equipment and accessories from the comfort of their homes. By joining the American Golf Affiliate Program, you can earn a solid 6% commission on every sale you make. What's more, your referral cookies remain active for a generous 30 days. This means that even if someone clicks on your link and takes their time to make a purchase, you will still receive payment. This presents a significant opportunity to earn substantial income. Additionally, you won't be left in the dark as they provide you with regular product feeds and attractive banners to enhance your marketing efforts. To keep things fresh and exciting, American Golf offers regular deals and provides you with all the necessary tools to succeed in the affiliate marketing game. So let's move on to step 2, signing up for the American Golf Affiliate Program. Now that you understand what the program is all about, it's time to proceed with the sign-up process. To begin, open your browser and search for the American Golf Affiliate Program. Click on the first link that appears and scroll down until you see a blue Join Now button. Click on it and you'll be directed to the sign-up form. Fill out the form with your information and accept the terms and conditions to complete the sign-up process. Once you receive the confirmation email, you'll gain access to your own affiliate dashboard, where all the exciting things happen. There, you'll find your unique affiliate referral link, which you can copy and start sharing with your audience to earn commissions. Now let's move on to step 3, creating a landing page using Mixo. A killer landing page is crucial for effectively promoting affiliate products, including American Golf. It serves as your virtual sales pitch that convinces potential buyers to take action and make a purchase. Luckily, we have an amazing tool called Mixo that makes designing professional-looking landing pages a breeze. It's like having an AI-powered sidekick that handles all the hard work for you, eliminating the need for complex designs or spending hours on technical aspects. To get started, visit Mixo.com or simply click on the link provided in the video description. This will take you directly to Mixo's website, where the magic happens. Using Mixo is incredibly easy. Just enter your startup idea, in this case, let's go with American Golf, and let the tool do its job. Witness the magic of Mixo as it effortlessly crafts a captivating landing page for you, complete with eye-catching images that will make your page shine. The best part? These pages are optimized for conversion, meaning they are specifically designed to prompt potential customers to purchase American Golf products swiftly. Starting off on the right foot is crucial, and Mixo has got you covered. Of course, you can always add your personal touch and make adjustments to the page. The beauty of Mixo lies in its user-friendly nature, so you don't need to be a tech expert to make it look fabulous. Now let's move on to step 3, adding your affiliate link to the landing page. When using Mixo to create your landing page, it is essential to strategically place your affiliate link within the content to ensure visitors can easily spot it and be enticed to click on it. After all, the goal is to generate sales. Consider making it visually appealing by experimenting with different fonts or colors that catch the eye. You can even create a catchy call to action to make it stand out. However, aesthetics are not the sole focus. It is crucial to ensure that the link functions smoothly. The last thing you want is to miss out on potential sales due to a troublesome broken link. To address this, simply test it out by clicking on the link yourself and verifying that it directs you to the correct product page. If everything works seamlessly, you're good to go. Moving on to step 4, driving traffic to your landing page. After creating your landing page and incorporating your affiliate link, the next vital step is to attract visitors. Without traffic, there won't be any sales or commissions. This is where Propeller Ads proves valuable. Propeller Ads is a platform that enables you to advertise your landing page to a wider audience for free. By utilizing Propeller Ads, you can draw in more visitors and generate increased traffic to your landing page. The first step is to sign up for an account with Propeller Ads. Once that's done, it's time to create your ad campaign. Here's the secret to successful ads: targeting options. It's crucial to ensure that your ads reach the right people who are most likely to be interested in your product. Therefore, select the targeting options that align with your specific product. By targeting the right audience, you increase your chances of earning commissions. Propeller Ads offers various ad formats, including banner ads, pop-under ads, and push notifications, allowing you to experiment and find the format that works best for your product and audience. Generating more traffic to your landing page means more opportunities for sales and commissions. Now, let's delve into creating attention-grabbing ads with NVIDIA as your trusty companion. NVIDIA is a tool that simplifies the process of designing professional-looking ads. Begin by selecting a template that aligns with your product's style and tone. Customize it by adding compelling text, captivating images, or even engaging videos. Don't forget to play around with colors and fonts to ensure your branding shines through. To make your ads stand out, make them engaging and visually appealing. Bold headlines and striking images can evoke a wow reaction and pique people's curiosity. Keep the content concise since you only have a few seconds to make an impact. Once you've created your masterpiece using NVIDIA, it's time to run the ad and drive traffic to your landing page. Return to Propeller Ads and choose your preferred ad format. Upload your ad and set the targeting options. Voila, you're done. The best part is that you can track the performance of your ads in real time. Monitor the number of clicks and conversions on your landing page. Utilize this data to refine and enhance your ad campaign, witnessing improved results over time. Running ads through NVIDIA and targeting your audience with Propeller Ads empowers you to earn substantial income through affiliate marketing. That concludes today's video. If you enjoyed it, remember to like, subscribe to the channel for more videos on making money online, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. See you next time.